Hi! Today I will be doing mini twist protective style on stretched hair. Today I will be using the Manuka Honey's new leave-in conditioner, As I Am's curling jelly, and Blueberry Bliss curl paste. This style can be done on wet or stretched hair, but I just decided to do it on stretched hair to cut drying time and for my twists to be longer. I was super excited to try the Sheamoisture's new leave-in milk. The consistency was, it was thick. It was just like the conditioner, deep conditioner, so that's why I was so excited for it and I had really high hopes. It distributed well throughout my hair and it smells amazing. For my mini twist, I decided to do smaller sections, so it took me a long while and I procrastinated. So a style like this, I recommend sectioning off time in your day to do this. You want to make sure your hair is smooth while twisting so your twist can come out more defined. As you can see, my steps are repetitive. I spray my hair with my aloe vera juice mixed with water. Then I add in the leave-in. Then on my ends, I add As I Am's curling jelly. But with the leave-in just alone, I feel like it moisturized my hair really good and defined my twist very well. I picked this up for $9.99 at Target. This is how my twists look after I was done twisting. I was very pleased. This style is perfect for me right now because it's winter and I just got hit with a huge snowstorm, so I think this is such a cute style. To stretch my hair, I use bobby pins, but you can just do the banding method. For my edges, I decided to use the Curls Blueberry Bliss curl paste, and this is amazing and it smells just like blue Jolly Ranchers. So overall, the leave-in I believe is a good product and I had high hopes for it and it definitely delivered for me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
through it out. Not wait